Halloween has finally come.
Hello from Legoland Florida.
Guys, we are here at Legoland Florida. It is the opening weekend for Brick or Treat.
We're so dropped it.
Yes, we did. Not to realize that nothing opens up like character meet and greets and all that stuff
like
until
11:30.
But it's fine. It's cool. We can at least
can check out the stuff because I think they have new stuff.
They do. Everything is decorated. They even changed the names of some of the rides that we've seen so far.
Cool.
It's really cool.
But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. If you can please subscribe, share with your family and friends because we're trying to get at least 1,000 subscribers.
Wait, hold on. That breeze is amazing. It's beautiful today. But if you guys do subscribe, hit that bell notification because we do post Tuesdays and Thursdays every week. And we're trying to open it up more as time goes.
But we want to get to that certain amount because we want to go live with you guys and get to know you guys a lot more.
Yeah. And once we get to 1,000, we'll post on Instagram when we will go live. That way you guys can interact with us on a more personal level, I think.
Yeah, and then like we can even do days where like you guys choose what you want us to do.
Nothing scary.
And you know that we're picky, so
yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
With consequences of why if I don't do it. No, I'm kidding. But guys, we really hope you enjoy this video, and we really hope that you make it to Brick or Treat this year.
Yes, definitely.
I know it's not Brick or Treat, but we're already on this side of Legoland, and look, everything is starting to come together slowly but surely. And yeah, and I think it's gonna be better than I thought. Cause I thought it was gonna trap all the heat. It looks really nice. Come over here.
Okay, I'm too short.
It's gonna be really nice, especially on days like this where that breeze is really nice. But it's coming along.
I know, I thought I was gonna trap it like the way it looked, but it looks like it's not.
If Legoland can do this,
why can't
Disney and Universal? Because sometimes that walking in the middle of the day is just brutal.
Or at least like in the middle when you walk down like Main Street, like you know how Tokyo has it, Tokyo Disney, and then like Universal like in the middle when you're walking or something.
Yeah.
This is cool. Because we thought it was going to go all the way down, not up like that.
And the way the pictures look like, it's just going to be straight canvas. So I think it's going to be nice. Well, we'll have to find out and see.
Hurricane season
is upon us. guys did great. Awesome. Thank you.
Ready to rock out with us?
She is. I'm videoing.
I mean, you can dance in video, right?
Yeah, there you go. I can just bounce it.
Exactly. Did you guys pick a song?
Yeah.
Picked a song.
No, we did.
You did.
The Dark Horse.
Oh, that's a good one. All right, here we go. The Dark Horse. Let me see what's here.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow, this is cool. That's
Got in the box. Sprinkler.
Great job, guys.
awesome.
Gotta get it all in.
You rock it.
Love it. You guys are all in. Okay, dancers.
Thank you.
You guys would be perfect to add on to our band. What do you think? Monster Rocker agrees. Well, hope to see you guys.
We are walking, so forgive the jumping around, but they do have a book that you can get, and you get it right when you enter the park, and it has just maps, what they're offering, and all that kind of cool stuff, the times and all that. So highly recommend getting it. So eventually this is what they're going to have, and we got Mr. David here working really hard. Hi.
That's cool.
He's one of the master builders here.
That's cool.
That's gonna be pretty cool.
Go right ahead.
Mr. Scarecrow, how are you?
Scarecrow? Oh yeah, is that a fun new little pumpkin patch?
That's a perfect pose ever.
Yeah. Is that the front? Is that the pumpkins with all the crows?
Well, if he's supposed to scare the crows, why is there one on his head?
I don't know, why is there a crow on your head? Oh! Oh, there's a crow on your head! There's a crow on your head!
Oh no!
Oh, there,
You're good, it's gone.
pumpkin! Protect the pumpkin!
If you stay still, it'll go away.
Yeah, exactly. Stay still.
Just
okay.
like that.
There you go. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy birthday.
When I say skeleton, you say dance. Skeleton dance. Skeleton dance. When I say skeleton, you say dance. Skeleton dance. Skeleton dance. And that's how we do the skeleton dance.
So highly recommend getting this. We rope dropped, and there's a lot of back and forth because of the closure of the
Mini Lego City?
yeah. So what I highly recommend is that you get one of these books when you first come in. You sit down, you kind of map it out,
Or
so you're not
someone's
doing.
nice enough to get it and ship it out to you or something like
Yeah.
that. Have a plan.
And then sit down and really kind of map it out, so that way there's not a lot of back and forth. Just
That's all we're doing right now.
yeah, that's what
We
we've been
wasted
doing.
a lot of time. I mean, it's 1:30. We've been here 3.5 hours, and we've done a show and kind of saw 3-ish characters.
Right, and the characters are out for 25 minutes, so you do have some time to see them. So, but highly recommend get one of these.
See? But look how cool the pages are.
I know. And the last page, it's not even over yet, and we're already advertising for holidays.
So this is cool.
Yeah. Highly recommend. It's right there by the maps when you come in.
Sponsors. So maybe you kind of know what kind of candy you're getting.
Yeah. Huh. All right. Hi, guys. You guys are super spooky. Don't tell anybody else you're our favorite. All right.
Yeah,
Well,
Spider Lady took forever getting ready. She used 6 cans of hairspray this time.
2,
6.
6.
Fashionably
I told her she
late.
didn't use that much, but she did anyway. Yes, we know you look fabulous.
Take it in.
You only took all year to get ready.
You guys, you guys are.
Trying on outfits. I'm like, okay, that's the one. Okay, fine, you're changing again.
You look good. You look better than Minnie.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Have a
Wow. So when you walk into the big store from the park side, you walk into the Lego Masters designs. That is super cool. We didn't finish that season.
Yeah, but not the second.
Not the second season. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty impressive. All right, so here are the Halloween stuff. So you got Owl with pumpkins, you got a witch, La Katrina. You got a spider or a bat looking thing. I think it's a spider. And then you got a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get, but you're going to get either a bat or a pumpkin. And moving over here where Amber's at, we got, ooh, keychains. You got a ghost. You got a, is that a zombie? It looks like a zombie, right? Wow. Well, we're calling it a day.
Yep. I hope we don't get copyrighted.
No, I honestly, it busier than last year for sure.
A lot
That's not
busier.
gonna
Yep.
work.
People got here probably about 12:30 because trick or treat starts at 2:30
Right.
to 7.
Yeah.
And there's a few people dressed up, which was pretty cool to see. But if you want to try to get like the shows and other stuff, I would come a little bit earlier. That's just my opinion.
Right. Map out your journey. Think about what you guys want, what you want to accomplish, and all that kind of stuff. We try to get as many characters as possible, but some of the problems that we were running into was that some of the characters were out at the same exact time. So yes, you do have a 25-minute window, but because it's blocked off, you can't do the whole roundabout. You have to actually cut back and forth.
Yeah.
So definitely kind of just map it out, kind of have a plan. You don't have to have a plan, but just try to think about what you want to accomplish. But guys, you made it this far. Thank you so much. We're really happy you guys enjoyed this trip with us.
Yep. Subscribe.
Yes. This is the first weekend for Brick or Treat, and it's going to only happen on the weekends until October 31st.
It's spooky season.
Finally, right? We've all been waiting. But the temperature is saying otherwise.
Yes. Yes. Stay hydrated. Drink
Yes.
a glass of water.
Yep. But guys, don't forget to like, comment down below. And we'll probably do a part 2, catch up some of the other stuff. But maybe not. We don't know. But guys, thank you so much for joining us. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.